Hey guys, it's Maureen and welcome back to the channel. My previous iPhone case reviews are from Velvet Caviar for the Halloween and the Casetify haul, which I love so much. Those cases are amazing. That bright color, watermelon pink color from Casemate is amazing with its accessories. I love that. And also the Velvet Caviar Crystal, which was released in in October of this year. Today we are going to dive into more colors of the Apple Silicone cases. I love Apple Silicone cases, and I have told you guys that a million times in this channel. So in September of 2020, Apple released a PLUM silicone case also. So when I saw that there was a plum color that was released for the iPhone 16 Pro Max, I was kind of having a flashback. I knew there was a plum that was released a few years ago. Yeah, it was released in September of 2022, and that was the year of the coronavirus for the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and we are in 16 now. So 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 4 years after. So since both cases feature the plum color, we'll compare them to see the differences. If you are interested on the plum Apple Silicone case for iPhone 16 Pro Max or for the iPhone 16 series, just keep on watching. Here is the plum Apple Silicone case for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. It looks like a purplish color. While looking at it right here, it seems like there is a red tone to it. I will show you the Magsafe ring animation. So I purchased this case October. Since I began using it, I already see some smudges on this case. So you can see a little bit in here, around there, but not too bad. I think I have a lipstick that's color purple, so I'm gonna go change to that lipstick. Okay. I'm back, and we have lipstick that's kind of purplish right here. Got the MAC, which is in Rebel. Like to wear this today since we have another shade of plum. Okay, are you ready to match it with our lipstick here? So the Rebel lipstick from MAC is a bit brighter color. It has a pinky tone to it compared to this case. First one that I posted is fuchsia, and this actually kind of matches it, isn't it? You can see on the lipstick that there is a shade of purple in it. The fuchsia, you can see a little bit of the pink on this lipstick. So I would say that this case or color can collect oiliness in general. This case is ideal for fall. I'd say I'd still use it during the winter due to its dark color. This part of the video is a little bit lighter because I have my ring light. Right here is a natural lighting. I researched on this one, and this website is very credible. Plum is a deep velvety shade of purple with a hint of red, reminiscent of the rich dark skin of the fruit it is named after. Plum is commonly associated with the following attributes: regal, mysterious, luxurious, romantic, and elegant. I can't really say that the Desert Titanium is a gold color, but I'd consider it like gold, right? Yeah. According again to pictochart.com, plum and gold are a good combination. It exudes luxury and sophistication. The richness of plum paired with the opulence of gold creates a striking contrast that is both eye-catching and elegant. Perfect for high-end branding or festive occasions. This duo brings a sense of grandeur and celebration. Pairing this color with black is acceptable. Pairing it with white will make the plum color stand out exceptionally. Natural titanium slightly gray tint complements the plum color well. I'd show you here because I still have the natural titanium iPhone 15 Pro Max. It doesn't fit, but it goes inside anyway. Natural titanium. That still looks good. So in California and the Bay Area, plums ripen between the end of May through September. Depending on the specific variety, weather, and microclimate, here are some of the varieties Village Harvest sees in home gardens in the San Francisco Bay Area. Large round varieties: Santa Rosa, Satsuma, Mariposa, and Green Gage. I believe Apple chose the color plum because of its dark color. Yeah, I think so. In fact, there is a tree here in Michigan that turned a beautiful plum color during the fall. Most of them have a reddish plum color. We also have that plant that's called sumac. There's a poisonous sumac or a regular sumac. It is reddish in color during summer, but in the fall it becomes super dark. So every time I hike, I kind of look at it and it looks like this or not. Feel like the purple is way more powerful or more noticeable than the red part of this color case. Let's compare the plum color of the iPhone 12 Pro Max to the plum color of the iPhone 16 Pro Max. So it seems like this plum color right here for the iPhone 12 Pro Max is a different shade of plum compared to the iPhone 16 Pro Max plum. 12 Pro Max has a redder shade, while the iPhone 16 Pro Max has a purple but still has a slight red tint to it. I have a amethyst here that was given to me by my mother-in-law. It looks kinda the same. I think this is way more purple than I was thinking. Purple, purple. Lastly, I just want to show you my screen here. I've got this kind of cute wallpaper that matches our plum case. That is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for joining me in reviewing or talking about the PLUM silicone case for iPhone 16 Pro Max and or for the iPhone 16 series. I love this case. I wear this a lot. As you can see, I have like a lot of smudges in there. That means I've used this for how many times already. That is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day and night, and I will see you on my next video. Bye!